Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today, I'm going to be replacing the rear wheel bearing on an MK6 GTI, so stay tuned. Now that the wheel is off, I'm going to remove the caliper, which is held on by two bolts. Before you attempt to break these bolts loose, make sure the socket is in properly. Usually these bolts are on pretty tight if they have never been removed before. This is the setup that I'll be using. Notice that the brake dust shield is missing. I'm going to address that later, but for now I'm going to remove the rotor. As you can see, this screw is all messed up, so I'm going to remove it with the drill. The idea is to start with a smaller bit, then use larger bits. Now that the screw is out, I'm going to remove the rotor and the bolt cover. I'm going to use a breaker bar and a jack handle to remove this bolt. This bolt is on extremely tight. I would suggest not to attempt to remove this without a breaker bar. This bolt is a torque to yield and should be replaced and not be reused. The previous brake dust shield broke off and was not replaced. It's quite common for these dust shields to break off at the screws. The quick fix is to use a large stainless steel washer with the screw. The reason I'm replacing this wheel bearing is because of the ABS ring. As you can see, the ring is damaged and the ring surface is no longer smooth. This damaged ABS ring triggered a fault code and the ABS light was on. Here is the new bearing that I'll be installing, with a new bolt and a new cover. Now I'm going to reinstall the rotor with a new screw, then reinstall the caliper and the bolt cover. Let me know if you have any questions about this wheel bearing replacement in the comment section below. And if you like this video, remember to hit that like button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.